All right, everybody, welcome back. So, all right, let's clear up some rumors. All right. So it is being said that Coach Stephen Francis of MVP Track Club is going to be coaching Sha'Carri Richardson. Some are saying it's going to happen in the future. Others are saying it's already happening. Well, Sportsmax, in particular, Leighton Levy, top journalist, big up yourself, Leighton. You know why. Has been asking Sir Stephen Francis himself some direct questions. One of those is he going to be training Sha'Carri Richardson? And when he was asked that question, this was his reply.
What I did say last month was that each year I am asked to coach athletes who are Nike. And what I did say also was that most of the time, I managed to get my way out of it because I have had people who I think I need to focus on. I did say that maybe this year I would put a little more thought or consideration into taking up one of those not directives but requests. And I will say now that I have not made any decision. I will say that, I mean, we have additional athletes coming here from abroad, but at the moment, I think I'm quite happy with the with the squad we have here, and I don't think that we need to make a lot of changes to have the kind of success that we have been accustomed to.
All right, so there you have it. No room, no dede. The man is happy with who he has in his camp. Who benefits from this the most? Elaine gone. Shelly no longer there for a while. Shericka Jackson, of course. Understand? She's a top athlete now in probably the top sprinting track club on the planet, getting full attention. So more kudos to her. All right. And there you have it. Also, Sha'Carri Richardson is not going to be training with MVP as far as we know so far. Could things change? It doesn't look that way, but anything is possible. All right, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.